Okay, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to have a look at Solana. I've been really liking Solana lately, so I've been trading it a lot. Just has such clean price action on the chart that I trade. So for people that are new here, I will not dive into the technicals of the system that I have, but I will just show you. I do this every day. It's a backtesting session, and I'm just going to show you what that looks like. Because in order to be a profitable trader, if you want to be a systematic trader and you want to have a system, you want to not gamble but actually know what you're doing, then you need to have a system, and then you have to test that system every single day in order to understand what is actually going on, what is your win-loss rate, and to what risk system can you link that. So without further ado, I'm just going to pick up where I left off in the last video, which was an okay-ish session. In 18 days, we had plus 2R. This is 3 losses and 2 wins from 5. So yeah, not too good, but that is still 1% because I trade with 0.5% risk. You know, and depending on your portfolio, that's still, for 2 weeks, it's still money. So let's see what has happened. Okay, we swept. We didn't sweep here. We did sweep this level. But we closed here, and that means kind of we're going here because let's see. LGCR, second and third close. So this tells us we are going here. So that is still on the menu for me until we close above here. Then we're going higher. But for now, I remember, let's see. I was taking trades in here. What one did I take here? So I took this spike. It's a valid one. Then I took this one as well, which was a loss once more. And then finally, this one that went a little higher was eventually the one working out, printing this LGC to the downside. So that's going to be the area for me now in order to look for trades to that level. So let's have a look. Oh, what is the time? I need to watch the time. This is not correct anymore. That's it. All right, so let's just see what happens. Tiny spike. Sweep. Swing forms. That's another close of the 4 hour. Let's see. Yeah, I would like something at the EQ, to be honest. Like here, ideally here. New playing area for us to look at. This was the trade that I could have taken, which was the tiny sweep, swing forward, LGC down, which would have been filled here. Okay, new playing field. And should be wary of this low here. It's probably going to be reactive. it sweeps. Now could be a time where we get a second entry. Let's see. Okay. So I will mark the high of this candle here. And, well, that's not really necessary. Well, we should mark it. Okay, inside bar. And there we go. Close through this level while also filling this. So I'm going to mark this here, which we failed to continue through. It's gonna go. So that means I will now wait and see what happens. Either close through or reverse. Close through. All right, so then we take this level. And that's what we hunt. Okay. Let's see. Sweep of the high. Swing formed, but not ideal. A failure to continue. Seems like it wants to go higher. And we lost that LGC. Did we? Yep. So let's see. Nothing. Nice spike. Sweep at the EQ. Swing formed. Failing to continue. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. That is beautiful. Respecting the EQ while reacting. But I want to see it higher. Because this does not sweep anything. Did it sweep? Nee, it did not. All right. Okay, so what we do now is we just wait till we get a new continuation from somewhere. Look, we're getting back into that area, but we failed to close lower. So, like, we do not anticipate, however, that's a sweep. So what I'm waiting for is a reaction with the level above. Just aggregating a lot. So it's prepping for a move. There we go. That's what we're waiting for. Close through. Then let's see what it does at the high here. Close through. And that also immediately closes through this, which tells us now we're moving up again. So we can go back to longing, which this candle tells us. So next target is here. We're going to look in this candle for a chance. Spike down, that sweeps, forms a swing. Not yet. Another spike down, sweep of the low, beautiful. Swing formed, want continuation. Nope, need to go lower. Fuck's sake. Another spike down that sweeps the low. Forms a swing. Puts in the LGC to the upside, but I need a close above here, which we get there. So this is an entry for me. Give it a little bit of room. And then to target. And then give it a little bit of room to breathe. There we go, target hit. Let's do this, then we can go to the 4 hour. That's a close. And then we mark this. And look inside of there for new trades. And preferably we always look for trades in the levels that close through levels, in the candles that close through levels. So this one is ideal. And then we target this level. All right, let's see. So it kind of is sweeping, but I want something more violent. Like that. Sweep at the EQ. Swing formed. Let's see. So a spike down, that sweeps the EQ, forms a swing, puts an LGC through. So technically that's an entry for me. Would like to see a bigger reaction, but let's see, take it to 2.5 and then give it a little bit of room. Wait, 2.5. A little bit of room. Okay, want to go lower. That's one loss. See on the 4 hour. Okay, definitely then want to take it from the low. Does not sweep. There we go. Spike down, that sweeps. Forms a swing, strong reaction to the upside. Now I want an LGC through that, which we're not getting just yet. Let's look at what the 4 hour looks like. That is beautiful. Not getting what I want to see. So we might go even lower. That's another sweep. Forms a swing and puts in an LGR. Sweep, swing formed. I want to see continuation. Just not getting it. And there we go. That's what I want to see. I'm going to take this long. Take the 2.5. Oh fuck. This is live. I caught up with reality. This is where we are right now. So let's just, then in the next video, let's see where price might go. I'm gonna keep that trade in. It's a reactive level here. Moved up. Could be rebalancing this before going higher, or we're still going lower. All right, that's it for today then. What happened? 2.5 R minus 1, so that's 1.5 R in profit, and then this is still in the running. So yeah, short one today. Thank you. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one.